Hello everyone, here is Tesla once again, and the last time I posted about this was somewhere around here. So, um, at that time I said that if you were short, because I said that prior to that I posted around here and I said that it's going to go down, and it really did. It gapped down and then it hit. You could have exited here um, if you entered short, but if you um, stayed short, then when it came up here, I said that you could hold your short position, or maybe you could even add, because as I said in that video, in my previous video, which was this was the chart that was showing at that time, that it was bearish, and I mentioned that. So indeed, next session this happened. It gapped down. So if you entered short here, that would be a great time. And if you could have added here, because this gap would act as a resistance for it to go down further. And however, after that, after the next trading session, it gapped way down. It opened here, and well, if I enter this, I would have exited it automatically at the open, because that's a huge gap, and then there's a huge chance of it filling, which indeed it did. See, it did fill the gap. So if you were short here and you exited here, then good. You could have entered here and then exited when it gapped really strongly. If you entered here, then I said in that video that it's going to go down either in this session or in the next, which it did. It did really. It really did go down. So if you entered here, then um, I'd put a stop over somewhere over here, around here, and it gapped, but not so much. So I'd be watching it. If it hit the stop, then well, such things happen. But it didn't. The gap um, provided resistance. But the next day when it opened here, well, that's something that's already a good target. So I won't be greedy. I take it off immediately, um, because that's already a huge. I won't gamble it anymore. So, and indeed, it it rose. So if you exited here when it gapped really big, then good for you. If not, then maybe you'd have exited around here. It's still good. So like I said, like I showed in the previous video, this one is bearish. It's really bearish, right? Like I said. And if ever it rallies, well, I won't go long with that rally. I'll wait for it to top, for the rally to top, and then short it again. So with this right now, what do we have? Well, um, um, it would seem like uh, there's a bit of strength coming in. So while I still stand by what I said, that this is bearish, it's still bearish, but you have to be careful, because while it is bearish, it might in the short term um, rally a bit. So if you see here, we have a double bottom, sort of a double bottom, close to a double bottom, and it went out of the pitchfork. So and there's a divergence over here, these 2 points over here, and these 2 points over here. It might go up a bit. I'm not sure if this resistance here would hold, but expect this to rally a bit. But again, if I were you, I won't go long on that rally unless you're unless you're a counter trend trader and you want to get a small piece of that pie. Well, it's up to you. But for me, it's not safe to go long. I'd probably wait for the rally to top and then go short again because this one is going down. Um, I'm going to go net short on this. Maybe some little bit of long, but net short, total short. So where would this lead us? First, it showed a double bottom. There's a bullish divergence over here, and it went uh, out of the pitchfork. It closed the gap and a bit more. So it might rally a bit. It might go up slightly, in which case it would be another nice uh, chance to go short. So where would it rally? Let's see. Because it is showing strength, it is possible that it might go up or it might just go sideways because of this um, resistance, this gap that would be resistance over here. It because you can see that um, this is a significant gap, so it might hold, it might move sideways and then go down again because it will go down, or it might move up a bit up to maybe around um okay, I think I used the wrong tool. Okay, hold on. Oh, so let's see. It might move up slightly from this swing, from that point. It might go somewhere around here, 38.2% at 138.88, maybe 139, because there's also a bit of a resistance level over here. That there's a confluence and this level over here, so it might move up to this level. So in which case, it's a very nice short opportunity and write it down again. So again, so okay, so like I said in my previous video, it still stands. This is bearish, and like I said, it went down. And then, like I said, it will from this point on, it will go down. Either if you watch that video, I said that it will go down in this session or in the next, and it did. And so, but now, because of the double bottom and it went out of the pitchfork, then it might rally a bit in the short term, or maybe this gap over here will act as a resistance, but but this is also a 23%, so this could also act as a resistance. So I'm looking at either here or here. So what might happen, well, I'm looking at three things over here. um, Hold on, where is that? Uh, I think I can't find it. I can't find it. But anyway, um, oh, hold on to this. Where is that thing? I think it's here. Okay. 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 So, what I'm looking at is that it might trade um, sideways. like this, and then move down, move lower. Or it might also go up, and it might also, hold on, there you go up to this point. Where is that? There you go. So from there, go up over here, and then go down, because this one is a Fibonacci level, and at the same time it already showed resistance over here, so this level is significant. But if this one won't be able to hold it, then the next most likely would. So those are the things I'm looking at over here. But overall trend, it's going to be um, bearish. So if it goes sideways, if in the next sessions it won't it won't break out of this resistance, then I'd say it would be nice to short again around here, and then maybe take profits when it hits this level, the support. Or maybe you could wait. If it really goes down, you could wait for a breakdown over here, enter short, and then ride it down. Or if it breaks this level, I don't think I'm going to go long on that. I'm going to wait at this level and put a stop over here, and then write it down. If the stop breaks, then I'd enter again here, and then write it down. So that's my game plan with Tesla. So far, it did what the chart would what the chart shows that it might do. Like here, I said it's bearish, and the next session it indeed went down. And right here, I said it's going to go down either in the next session or the session after, and it did the session after. But right now, I think it's going to go up slightly, either to this level or to this level. Either that, or it might, if the bears are really that strong, then it might just move sideways over here until it breaks down. So that's it. That's for Tesla. That's Tesla for now. So I'll see you again in the coming days, and let's see how this pans.